Hello and welcome to another how-to video. In this video we are going to learn how to pull up history on our face recognition fever detection cameras. This will be done by opening up the access control window, then navigating to the history, and then we will be picking a time frame and then looking at the history there. So to get to it, what we do is first open up the access control. Here we are on Easy Station. We come over to access control. And then on the upper left-hand corner, we hit Access Record. From here, we can pick which camera we're looking at, if we have more than one. Over here, we have our time frames. We can pick a customized range simply by picking a date on either side. Or we can very simply and quickly click on Today to see the records for today, the last 7 days to get the last week, or the last 30 days to get the last month. So we're going to go ahead and just select the last 7 days. And once we have our time frame set, all we have to do is press search. And after a brief wait, it pops up. So here's our history. From left to right, we have the time. This is the timestamp of when things happened. Here we have the name of the person, if the person has been registered. In a public setting, it'll probably mostly be unknown, but in a access control situation, employees can be learned into the system as shown right here. Over here we have a person ID. This only shows up if the person's been learned into the system. Again, ID type and ID number all relate to being people learned into the system. Here's what you can tell if somebody has a mask or not, as shown here, no mask, but down here we have a mask on. This is the temperature that was read, and this is the device where it was learned in. And over here we have a snapshot of the person that got scanned. And then if that person's been learned in, there's of course the stock photo that was taken at the time of registration. Over on the right here, we have a window where we can click to get a little more details. Just brings it up, makes it a little bit easier to see. We can close this. If we are looking to add one of the photos into the system, we can simply click on this Add to Face Library, and then give the person a name and ID. And then if we need to give them an ID card, we can do that. To view more history, we simply hit this little arrow down at the bottom here, and that'll take us to our next set of records. And then we can scroll down and take a look at the records. And we can hit it again and take a look at the records more. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to check out the other videos on how to best use the face recognition fever detection camera.